Greetings everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, we will be making a spool thread wall organizer. Now this is a very simple DIY project to organize your spools. So let's begin. You will be needing a cardboard. Make sure it is thick as it supports the weight of the spools. Now the size depends on your wall spacing and so does the shape. You can simply go with circles, squares or rectangle. The size I am using is a rectangle of 10 by 15 inch. And we will be requiring 2 pieces of the cardboard. Duct tape, and you can simply use a masking tape also just to give a further strength. And a wallpaper, half cut pearls, skewers, felt fabric, glue gun and a cutting plier. So let's start. Start with joining the 2 sheets of cardboard with the help of glue gun. Once it is done, start taping it with a duct tape. Cover it with the wallpaper and make sure it is only covered in the front side, not at the back side, since it won't be visible. Now start placing the spools at the back side of the cardboard. This will help us to decide how many spools can come in one piece. Decide the spacing between them, decide how many will come in a column, how many come in a row. Now in this particular size, that is 10 by 15 inch, I would be getting around 20 of them. So decide a mark on the first one, and with the help of the first marking, mark the rest of them. Once the marking is done, insert the skewer from the back side towards the front side in an upward direction. Make sure you maintain the same angle throughout. Now the angle helps the spools not to fall. Secure it with the glue gun. And apply the glue at the back side and the front side to make it more stable. Follow the same pattern throughout. Use a spool to decide the length on the skewer. Once decided, cut it with a cutting plier and then secure it with a pearl. This is a sample how it's going to look. Simply place a felt fabric at the backside to cover it. Attach it to the wall with the help of a screw. That's how it's going to look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.